everybody, it's Wendy, and it is one of my favorite days of the month. It is the bargain bead box. It came today and totally surprised me because I didn't think that, it usually takes a while to get to me, so I am so excited that it showed up so early. I was actually outside pulling weeds and came in to get Sadie and take her to potty, which means I walk to the mailbox usually. And there it was. So yeah, I'm so excited. We're going to open this up, but first our encouraging word for today is just smile. And I did smile when I got to the mailbox and saw my bargain bead box. I was like, yay. Wish I'd have checked the mail earlier. Okay, I was making sure I didn't show anything that I shouldn't show. All right, the approximate retail value this month is $69. There are 21 items in this box. And the theme is Coastal Breeze. So that sounds really awesome. So, Bargain Bead Box. It's a monthly subscription beading service it's approximately $20 a month, and that includes your shipping. You get all kinds of great stuff. So if this is accurate, it's a $69 value. And I'm going to show you what all's in this. Another thing, when you subscribe to Bargain Bead Box, you also get a 30% off coupon to use in their sister store, Bead Box Bargains. And I also got this in the mail today, which is my Bead Box Bargains order. So I will be filming that video, the unboxing of that, after I film the unboxing of this. So yay. But I do have a whole playlist of things that I've ordered, my unboxings from them. So you can check that out. If it's something you're interested in subscribing in, I have a coupon code for $2 off your first month's box. If you don't want to subscribe to their monthly box and you just want to shop in their store, you can do that as well. It is beadboxbargains.com. And you can use that $2 off coupon there as well, but you can't use it both places. So just keep that in mind. All right, so I am laying these out as we speak, and oh my goodness, you guys, this box is absolutely amazing. I've got to say, last month's box was a bit underwhelming for me. I don't know why. I liked it, but I just had a really hard time creating from it for some reason. And that could just be me. I may just be in the funk, or the slump, but oh my, this box is looking pretty fantastic. So I've made it up to number 11. Here's 12 and 13. And we'll go from there. I'll figure the rest out as we go. So, okay. The first thing in this box is a 30-piece set of 7.5mm star bead caps. So that's these. I do like to get bead caps, I gotta say. Some people kind of complain about getting bead caps, but I use so many bead caps that I have to say I really do like to get these. Here they are. They're really cute. Very nice. So you get 30 pieces. And they're cute little bead caps. I like small bead caps too, I gotta say. I don't like really huge ones. And then we have 2 pieces of 22.5mm Starfish Charms. Oh, these are cute, and they already have their little jump ring attached. There it is. It's detailed. It's got the little bumps that go all the way across the top, and it's double-sided. That is super cute. And let me see. I know it says 22.5mm here, but sometimes if I pull out my quarter, which I don't seem to have, it's just a reference. Where is my quarter? Oh, for heaven's sakes. It's somewhere here. I've rearranged so many times. It's a terrible thing. But I cannot seem to get everything exactly how I want it. So I keep rearranging. Well, I can't find it. But anyway, these are 22mm. Sorry, guys. It's a bit unorganized today. Number 3, 51 by 53mm textured starfish pendant. Oh, this is super pretty. How pretty this would be to glue little crystals in here all the way around. Ooh, I'm probably going to do that because I like to bling these things out. But see all those little spaces? You could glue rhinestones in there. That is really cool. And here's a size reference for you. Really, really nice. Okay. Number 4, approximately 16-inch strand of 4x3mm crystal rondelle beads in Alabaster AB. This is pretty. You know what I'm not seeing in this box, Brittany, are bicones. She'll be happy. Look how pretty. And the AB is showing up as yellow. I don't know why it does that on film, but it does. But they don't look yellow. They really, I mean, they have the definite AB coating, but I don't know why it does that sometimes. These are really pretty. So can you see the sparkle in them? I mean, they really are very sparkly. I hope it's showing up. It doesn't look like it is, but I hope it is. Okay, number 5 is approximately 10-inch strand of 8mm crystal round beads in turquoise. Ooh, now the sparkle shows up on these. Look at these. These are really pretty. This is a deep, deep, deep turquoise. It's almost teal. Look, it's turning the camera yellow. That's the camera tries to adjust for the white balance when it's really green. This is pretty. I love these. Oh, I hope they put these on their site because I'll probably order some more of those. Number 6, approximately 7-inch strand of 14mm synthetic turquoise starfish beads. These are really pretty. These are something that I see a lot, but I like them. I don't have a problem with them at all, but I mean, they're you know, you see these, they're very common, but they're pretty, and they pretty closely match that. It's a little darker, but these have this like kind of brownish, not brownish, well, I guess it is kind of brownish, that makes them have a kind of a dusky hue. I like them. They're pretty. All right, number 7, approximately 7.5-inch strand of 8mm polished seashell round beads. These are pretty. Y'all know I love anything seashell. I've been all about the seashell since I've been here in Florida. Look how pretty these are. They are white, and they do, let me get my glasses. No wonder I can't see anything. Okay, that's better. They do have the little tiny bit of, I mean, you can, if you look super duper close, you can see the lines in there. Can you see it on that one that I'm moving? They are this little seashell lines. Those are really pretty. Number 8 is a meter of 4x3mm textured steel oval chain. This is one of my favorite types of chains, this textured chain. I just think it's kind of fancy. It's very pretty. That's my ring. It's blended right in with the chain. It's very pretty and fancy. And I really do like it. I think it adds a lot, kind of some sparkle to your project. Number 9, approximately 7-inch strand of 6x8mm frosted weathered agate cubes. These are awesome. Oh, wow. These are really awesome. Look at these. These are very unique and different. I love them. They remind me of ice. They're very pretty. Wow, love those. This is a beautiful box. Number 10, approximately 15-inch strand of 5mm mother of pearl shell round beads. And again, with the shell. And this is mother of pearl shell. Oh, they're so pretty. Really, really pretty. I may have to pull some of my seashells into this box. 11, 2 pieces of 10x11mm hand-carved shell drops. Oh, these are precious. Look at them. Oh, those are so pretty. Wow, I really like those. They're tiny too. Look, here's this starfish. Here's the 50mm starfish, and look how little they are. They are really, really cute. Loving those. Okay. Get these starfish out of the way. Then number 12 is 6 pieces of 11mm synthetic coral fluted melon beads in light turquoise. These are awesome. These are really pretty. And you know what? We've got the dark with a little bit lighter and this lighter. It just all flows. Look at it. Just look at it flow. Just like an ocean wave. Isn't that pretty? They've done a great job this month. Love this. Number 13, 10-gram bag of 13x18mm shell and starfish links. I like these. I've seen these before and I like them really well. They're little links. It would make a really cute bracelet. You could alternate them. If you see what I mean, like shell, shell, starfish, starfish, shell, starfish. That'd be really cute to alternate them back and forth and make a bracelet. Those are super cute. I might have to do that. Did I show them? I'm kind of bad about just looking at it myself and then forgetting to hold it up to the camera. I'm sorry. Those are really cute. Okay. I'm not going to try to put things back in the bags. Just have to take them back out for a picture. So, number 14, 5 pieces of 10 by 11 millimeter synthetic coral scallop beads in varied pink. Oh my goodness, aren't these adorable? These are tiny too. Look how pretty those are. Oh, those are so pretty. Okay, they're about the same size as these. Oh, I love that one right there. These are beautiful. Wow, bargain bead box. Wow. Love those. Okay. Number 15 is a 10-gram bag of 14 millimeter starfish beads. I like these. These are really cute. There they are. Everything's tying together so well. Shells and starfish. I gotta say, I spent the day at the beach today, in fact. So, I'm all about the shells and starfish. Okay, number 16. This is cool. We have a 7.5 inch strand of 8.5 by 8 millimeter electroplated lava stone barrel beads. Now, these are different too. Wow, they've come up with some unique stuff this month. I have not seen these before. I like them. Look how sparkly and shiny and just metallic they are. Pretty awesome. My blue shirt is reflecting on them. Okay, number 18, a 2-piece set of 26 by 29 millimeter carved shell pendants. Oh, ooh, these are pretty too. My goodness. Look at this. Guys, this is a $20 box. I mean, that's shipped. $20 shipped. I don't see how you can beat that. The value in this box is amazing. Look at that with those little other shells. So beautiful. Oh, these are gorgeous. Wow. We're gonna have some fun this month, let me just say. Okay, number 17. 2 sets of 21 by 16.5 millimeter Pebble textured toggle clasps. These are really cute. Good tie-in with this theme, I think. The Pebble theme here. I mean, you know, you got your beach, your starfish, your sand. This is a good good tie-in with the theme. Those are really cute. Okay, now 18. No, that was 19. No, that was 17. 18. I did 18. Okay, I skipped 17. I'm so sorry. 17 was a toggle clasp. 18 were these pendants. Now I'm just totally distracted now. 19, 40-piece strand of 6 by 4 millimeter freshwater shell beads, pale pink dyed. Oh my goodness. These are like little rondelles. Look how pretty these are. We are going to have so much fun this month. I can already see like a bunch of jewelry coming out of this box. Wow, these are beautiful. I hope they're showing up pinky on the camera because they are a really beautiful shade of pink. They don't look to me like they're showing up the right shade. They are like a baby pink. They're so pretty. They look lighter on the camera. Beautiful. Okay. And then let's see, 20, 2 pieces, 13 by 14 and 13 to 14 by 15 millimeter handmade Lampport glass Nautilus beads. Another completely unique item. Mine don't match, and you know, I do have an issue with that a little bit because those drops in the last box didn't match. Let me show you. And I have yet to use them because they didn't match. So here are these two. So you can't really use these for earrings. And I mean, I know I'll use them on something, but this one is quite a bit lighter. So it really wouldn't look good. This one is fatter and completely different color up the top. So, you know, I wish they would have matched. It would have been cool to make earrings from these because these are really cool looking beads. But we'll have to do like a pendant, maybe, or something. I don't know. If you could, I don't know. Maybe I could wire wrap it. Nope. They're just really different. These two are. But they're very pretty. Don't get me wrong. I think they're beautiful. And we will definitely use them, just not together. And I would like to have made earrings out of those because those are pretty cool looking beads. Maybe they'll have more on their site and I can buy another set maybe that would match closer. Okay, and then 2 pieces. What? Is that these? No, I did it wrong. I'm so sorry. That's number 21. That's the oval, agate oval beads, cream / transparent ivory. That's these. These are not the Nautilus beads. I'm sorry. I really could free film this video because I seem to be like totally crapping it up, but I'm not going to. These are number 21. These are the 2-piece 34 by 9 millimeter 2-tone agate oval beads, cream / transparent ivory. That's these. Love them. They're beautiful. Okay. Now, number 20 that I thought that was 20. These are cute. These are 2 pieces of 13 to 14 by 15 millimeter handmade Lampport glass Nautilus beads. That makes much more sense now, doesn't it? I was kind of wondering where the Nautilus came in on those others. Yeah, I baked my brain in the sun today at the beach, so I'm sorry, guys. These are super cute. Super duper cute. Yeah, so we'll do something with those for sure. Those are really cute earrings too. Wow, so I gotta say, bargain bead box, 21 items, $69 value. This is one of the best values I have ever seen in bead boxes, and I love it. I mean, every month, pretty much. Now, I know there are some months there's something in there I don't really care for, and people want to tell me that I'm not entitled to my opinion, but believe you me, I am. But this month, I gotta say, there is nothing in this box that I do not like. It is fantastic. And of course, I'm a beach bum. I spend one day every week at the beach pretty much, unless something happens and I can't get there for some reason. So, yeah, you know I'm going to love this box. But these are this is a great value. Wow, bargain bead box. You hit it out of the park this month. So, like I said, if you're interested in subscribing, I will have a link in the description box below this video. $2 off either your first month's subscription box or your first purchase in their store. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.